We spent a couple of perfect days at Bacalar in Mexico. It truly is the Maldives of Mexico. You absolutely have to visit. Okay, this is the little ramp to come out to the, and this is the jetty here. It's so pretty. Little thatched roof. It is a little bit rickety. It's kind of falling apart, but it's free, so who would complain? And look at the water.
In the beautiful Bacalar, enjoying the fresh water that they call the Maldives of Mexico. They're probably not too far off. It's beautiful. So you can see beautiful turquoise water and fresh. There's a little free jetty platform behind me. It's where everyone comes to hang out and into the water. It's beautiful. Sad to leave.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't.
Bacalar is such a beautiful destination, and we really recommend you visit it. We absolutely love swimming in this water. It was the most incredible turquoise colour, super clear, and honestly, being freshwater made it so much better. We love relaxing on the jetty. It had a cool, local and rustic vibe. We stayed here all day and just really soaked up the water.
About to see the world in action.
There's loads of tours you can do from Bacalar. There's lots of different sea notes that you can go and see. You can take a boat over to the Pirate Channel and swim in this tiny little channel. It's such a beautiful view. You can see it here from above. Absolutely must-dos when you're in Bacalar, and I'll link them in the description below so you can check the tours out.
We'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Okay, we have come down to our local empanada lady at Bacalar. You'll find her in the car parking area for the beach club that's just below town. She's lovely, her daughter is lovely, and we've eaten here every single day and it's delicious. I'm going to show you in one sec. Ooh, Mike's delivering me my tamale he's just got. Oh my gosh. Check that out. It is huge. That looks delicious. I can't wait to get into it. Alright, Mike's gone over and ordered our second round. So basically what we've been doing here, Bacalar's a really interesting place. There are really nice cafes and really nice restaurants and bars and things like that, but they're quite expensive in reality. And when we found these guys, and they have the best food, like super fresh, super delicious. They're making it on the spot. She's literally over there pressing the maize tortillas now to make the empanadas and frying them on the spot. They're so cheap. It's 12 peso for one empanada, either queso or carne. And the tamale is 25 peso. Why would you go somewhere else? I don't understand why they have not got every single backpacker here eating from them, because the food's amazing, it's cheap, it's an easy to get to location. Some people have been going to this beach club, which costs 75 peso to get in. You really get nothing for it other than we're going to the free jetty. We can swim in the Laguna 7 Colors for free. So instead of spending 75 peso to go to this bad beach club, come here, spend it with these ladies, buy your food, and then go and swim at the free jetty. Why not? Gracias. Thank you. I've got the empanadas. Look how delicious that is. Honestly, and the hot sauce makes it. Let me just... Oh, don't lose it off the plate. All right. Best empanadas. There is also this really good mango stall right here where they cut up fresh mangoes and they're delicious. And the lady right next to her over here is selling these waffles that you cook up right on the spot. They're wheat, so I can't eat them, but they smell amazing. And you can put Nutella or banana or anything you want in them. Also, you've got your lunch here with our empanada lady, your fruit for your healthy bit, and your waffle for dessert. Alrighty, this is the main street along the Bacalar waterfront. Just to the left of us is the Lagoon of Seven Colors. We're heading to the free swimming spot off the free jetty now. So along the way you're going to see lots of bars, cafes, soft drink stores, souvenir stores, things like that as you're walking along. So you can get what you need along here, and you can head into a private swim spot or a private bar that has a jetty, things like that. Restaurants as well, obviously. And just here on the right hand side of the road there's another heap of the carts with the waffles and things like that, and you can head up to the San Felipe Fort. We're going to go up there later on, but we're going to head to the water first. Here is where we buy our drinks to head down there. You'll see the yellow Corona sign. It's what you're looking for. Then good price, cold drinks, they've got beer. This is the entrance to the free beach area. You just walk on through and down the path. We've been coming down here every morning around about 9 o'clock or so, just after 9 maybe, having a nice swim. Then the middle of the day heats up like crazy. So we head back, get some work done in our room, relax for a minute in the aircon, and then head back down for some late lunch, early dinner with our empanada lady, and then head here for a swim. So it can get pretty busy down here because it's one of the better free jetties. I think it's one of only 2, and obviously it's a better one. It's got a good thatch roof for shade, but it means you can't really get a lot of space, especially if you're here sort of at peak time, which now is until about maybe 6 p.m. So we're gonna see how busy. Oh, it's busy. Everyone's out in the middle. We're walking through the main square and park at Bacalar, and it's Thursday night. It's actually the Thursday night before Good Friday for Easter, and the town has just come alive. So the whole week we've been here, it's been really quiet. No one's really been around. A lot of shops have been shut. But yesterday it seemed like a lot more locals were around, and tonight everyone's out and about in the park. There's a market, kids are playing on playgrounds. There's some guys about to do some sort of pole climbing thing. We'll go and have a look. Everyone's hanging out, eating, drinking, having a good time. So we're having a stroll around. We leave tomorrow, so we'll find out what this is. I'm not sure what happens when they get to the top. Oh, they're starting to swing. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, so that's what they were doing up the pole. That was actually really impressive. Just the things you see on a casual Thursday night at Bacalar. We're going to go walk around the market a little more and then head back to our accommodation because we do leave really early tomorrow morning. But alrighty, we've always got the colourful letters at every single town we've been at, and this is the fort. You can pay to go inside. There is a small museum, but everyone crowds around here in the evenings. And basically it was built to protect the town from pirates, and you can see that there's a massive area inside, and then obviously the walls, and there's a gun up on the edge there. So it's built to protect the town from pirates. You can see the water is just over here, and there is Pirate Channel where the shipwrecked pirate boat is. You can do a tour out to that. This is Bacalar when it's all buzzing and happening. The restaurants are all getting filled up, and obviously there's police in the street maintaining control. Okay, this and Antojitos Torizada is also a really cheap little cafe restaurant. Don't mind the cops making a noise there. In town, they do really cheap tacos, and it's obviously super busy, so obviously one to hit up. Alright, this is the main square in town. They've got a little statue there that lights up. Coffee shops, cafes on the corners. Alright, so we're walking up to our favourite supermarket. It's not really a supermarket, it's a mini market. And they have good ice blocks. And kind of the things you need when you're staying somewhere. So I'll show you that. Heading to probably our favourite grocery store in Bacalar. Hoping it's still, oh yep, it's still open, that's good. It's just behind the main square, so it's the street over. We're going to head there and get our ice cream for the night. There is a little fruit stall further down which we might try and go to see if it's open. Oh, it's called Bodega La Favorita. So that's not too hard to remember. That's where you want to come. But getting stocked up ready for our bus trip tomorrow. We're heading to Holbox. Alright. Alright, favourite ice cream shop. It's not an ice cream shop, it's a grocery store, but they have the good ice cream. And we're getting the chocolate-covered chocolate ice cream. It's actually by Streets, but there's also chocolate-covered strawberry, which is very good. Oh. You know. Mike's done him dirty. He's dropped the ice block and he's switching it over. That's the kind of guy he is. Sprung.
Lucky, it was ever yours.
No!
Yeah.
Ice creams, Attain. It's chocolate-coated chocolate ice cream. It's 20 peso from this store. Sometimes Oxo has it for 23. And it's good, it's gluten-free. It's nice just at the end of the night. They have magnums and stuff like that, but I like, 40 peso, and these are really nice, so look for these. So this is our little fruit market that we've been going to there. So we come here after our afternoon swim session and grab a couple of bananas, grapefruit, things like that. Trying to stay healthy on the road is always something you have to think about. It's so easy just to be eating empanadas every day. This is the second best grocery store. It's called Super Willie's and has generally got most of the things. We just like the other one better. Plus they've got the ice creams. So we'll pop in here and get what the other one doesn't have. And at the moment, Mike wants juice, so that's what we're looking for.
Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.